Everyone wants to be successful. Everyone says they want to have a lot of money, but do they really? What do they do to work towards that goal? Is it all talk and no action? To become successful, it takes a lot more than talking. So today I'm going to present you 6 tips for success. Like I said, everyone wants to be successful, but they lack on the commitment part. They kind of want to be successful. They kind of want to do all this, kind of want to do that. And in the end, they don't have a goal, they don't achieve something, they don't have a task list, to-do list, because all they do is talk. It's all talk, no action. To be successful, you must actually create a plan and put it into action. All right, so let's go on with the countdown. All right, so number 1, you gotta have a vision, have a goal, and know where you want to go. It's like, it would be like coming to work without a to-do list. You seem to be busy all day, but did you accomplish anything? Did you work towards your goal? Use a block time list or calendar to keep yourself on track and track your progress every day. Fill in what you did, what you accomplished, what you didn't accomplish, how much time you think that task is gonna take, and how much it actually took. But it's gotta be 100% focus, right? Think of yourself that you were born to do something great, for something big, or maybe be a kid again. Think of something that you want to. Don't think of something that you can't do. Dream big. Try not only be a better businessman or worker, but also be a better person, better father or better mother. Improve yourself every day. Have that to-do list, and do it every morning. Always pushing the ball forward. Number 2, gotta have some passion. Have some passion because you need to do it a little bit for love, not just for money. I don't think it has to be very fun, but it has to be something you actually enjoy doing. Now don't expect, obviously, to love what you do all the time, every day, every moment. Eventually, you'll get, like in everything in life, you'll get bored and sick of something. You'll get bored and sick of people at work, or you'll get bored and sick of things at work. And you will eventually I guess everything will start to eventually piss you off to some degree, right? Then what you have to learn is to delegate, to improve the processes, or learn to let go of the things that really don't matter, but to the things that piss you off. Change things around you. So you have to kind of keep this passion alive. So just learn to kind of work around and just do what you love, or delegate the stuff that you really hate doing, right? Number 3, it's practice, and work. But you got to work with intense focus, And if it's hard for you to focus through the day, do the thing that's most important first thing in the morning. Because as your normal day starts, it's hard to kind of shift gears when everything's happening to you at work. So if you really want to work on something, do that first thing in the morning. Spend at least 30 or 60 minutes, but it's got to be 100% focused on working towards your goal. Number 4, push and persist. Push yourself through tough times. When you think you're not good enough, when you think you're failing, you got to keep going forward and not stop, right? If you think you're failing, set up the day, like I said above, to do it the first thing in the morning, or delegate to have somebody else do it, right? You just got to keep the ball moving forward. Number 5, work like hell and advertise. What does that mean? It means that you have to work like hell, like we said above, and then you have to tell everybody or everyone around you about your work, about your success. This is the time where you shouldn't be shy. Look at all the celebrities. They're not shy, and that is why they're successful. Look at all these businessmen. They constantly tell you how great they are, what kind of great work they do, how great, pricing they have, product, everything, right? Service. If people don't see the hard work you put in, then you obviously gotta advertise the work you do, right? So don't be shy. Work like hell and advertise, right? And lastly, number 6, it's good actually not to have a plan B. Don't be afraid to fail. It's okay to fail. You always learn something. What's not okay is it's for you not to try, to be afraid to fail. If you have a plan B, that kind of says, well, if this doesn't work out, I always have this plan B. Well, that means you're not gonna try hard enough on plan A, and that plan A will fail. Hopefully you'll learn something from plan A, and then you'll go on and start another adventure. But it's actually better not to have a plan B. It's just go all out, 100% focused on plan A. You know, we can all lose at sometimes, but if we keep getting up, eventually we'll become winners. Alright guys, well, this was Tom. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe, rate and share. Please place some comments below. I'll go ahead and answer those questions that you have, or answer your comments. Alright guys, well, this was Tom. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have any comments, suggestions or questions, please ask them below, and then subscribe, rate and share.